Good morning from beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm up early and taking care of some idioms. That's what I'm doing. Today's idiom comes from the Idiom of the Day site. Today's idiom is out of the blue, which we have some beautiful blue skies here today. That's how I'm tying it in. Out of the blue means very suddenly something happens. It just comes from like out of nowhere, from just, there's no context to where this thing suddenly appears. It's from the expression a bolt out of the blue, which makes more sense. It's like lightning, you know. Lightning comes from nowhere and just hits immediately. So out of the blue means something sudden, like lightning suddenly appears, a bolt out of the blue. And we've just cut it down because, you know, we don't have time to say a bolt out of. We just say out of the blue. And for an example, these ideas just hit me. I don't know where they come from. Sometimes they just come out of the blue. Like, subscribe.
You introduce what is?
This is chazuki. It's a rice with a tea and salmon roe on top. Very interested to try this.
Okay. I ordered this beef tataki. Beef tataki.
Okay, great.
It's just maybe a little bit raw beef something salad, right? 我还点了一个又漂亮又好吃的sashimi salad，生鱼片salad。
Not
I
sure.
think this pork belly,
It could be.
chicken wings，自己吃。爱吃，这是刚来的。
That's asparagus. That's okra.
一小片烤羊排，还有烤鸡胗。看赌城的夜晚，永远也看不烦。你吃饱了吗？
Talking to me?
啊哈，
我吃饱了。
你吃饱了
The mochi donut finished it off. I was
？So good，
I was 非常饱了 before. Now I'm 太饱了。
太饱了，
对，
太好吃了，
很好吃。
太好吃了。
太好吃了。
So pretty.
Yes, it is.
Let's roll down the window.